Hey, and welcome back. Thanks for tuning in. Today I'm going to be tackling some solution finish onto the trim of the truck. I really like this shake vigorously. That's what we're going to do. So what do we have at hand? Let me show you. Of course we got these. I'm going to be tackling those. And I also got my front air dam, this one, which I'm also going to tackle. So let's start applying, or actually start shaking first, and then I'm going to start applying it to the air dam, just see how it turns out. If I like it, and if I have understood correctly, this stuff is the bomb. Not sponsored, by the way, unfortunately. I will do the rest. So let's dive into the air dam. So what we need for this task is some water, degreaser, of course the solution finish, some gloves, microfiber towel and a spongy thingy.
Mooi makkelijk droog in ieder geval.
Nou, ja, als het gaat glippen vind ik helemaal niks.
Nee.
Waarom?
Altijd.
Really nice difference with solution finish, without. Let's continue with the rest. I'm liking this a lot. Whole thing finished. Right, got the air dam done. Now let's start with the fender flares. So this is the before and this is after. Alright, let's end this video with a beauty shot. Got the air dam back installed. This is how it looks like right now. I'm really liking the way it's looking now. Thanks so much for watching. Leave a like if you want to, subscribe if you like to, and share whatever you want to do, but do it on YouTube. So thank you very much. Catch you on the next one. Bye bye.